Hey, how's everyone doing? As they say here in the Philippines, mayong gabi. Good evening, everybody. At least here anyways. Yes, man, it's nice to be on the road again. Gosh, I've been getting my new apartment set up in Palawan. I've been moving from Cebu to Palawan. If you haven't seen the videos on my $100 a month apartment, I'll put a link in the video description to that. I mean, so cheap, right? And the thought of that is just a really good base. So enough on that. Watch the video for more information on that. But I wanted to show you, I'm back in Baybay, Leyte, and I love this town, guys. I'm telling you, this to me is really a good town to live in. I just love it. It's that ideal population size, right around 100 and looks like 120,000 according to the 2020 census. They've got a big grocery store, just beautiful coastal town. I'm gonna get the drone up hopefully here in a little bit and show you some of that. And the other thing I really like about the coastal area here is the mountains are kind of right up on it. So you got this town with a beautiful coast, really good sunset with the mountains in the right there. So I love it. Really, it looks like when I'm looking at things to do around here, there's a little bit of touristy stuff, but it is a small town. But big fan of this, of Baybay, Leyte, and could see myself living here at some point. Easy access to Cebu, direct ferries. You got a fast craft, you've got ro-ros, so you've got a lot of options getting back to Cebu in only a couple hours by a fast craft. So I could put that information up here in the video right here too. So I'm in a hotel, what do you call this? LaPatria or something like that. I'll put the name of it. It's 2,200 pesos a night. Not too bad price-wise. You know, pretty inexpensive. I'll convert that out too. Good size space. You can see this freaking room is huge. So I'll give you guys a quick tour and we'll show you around here real quick. So yeah, here's the main living space, you know, whatever, decent desk. That works just fine. AC is cranking and works well. Show you guys the bathroom. And here's the bathroom. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, clean. Yeah, there's the famous bucket in tabo. Again, I'll put that video in the video description, how to poop in the Philippines. But yeah, hot shower, whatever. Just your basic, honestly, Philippines shower. And it is one of the things too, as we're talking about some bathrooms and stuff, you can see that hot water heater attached right there. So it's really typically the only place in your apartments that you'll have hot water. You won't have it in your sinks, you won't have it in your kitchens, just your shower. So most places. My last apartment that I was in Beverly Hills, Cebu, I could put a link to that in the video description too. That had multiple hot water heaters. So each bathroom had a hot water heater in the kitchen. So anyways, next up on this video, I'm gonna get out for a little bit. I'm gonna cruise around Baybay a little bit. We'll see if we can get the drone up. The weather looked like it might be a little bit rainy, but we'll see if we can get the drone up, show you some of the stuff here on the coastal area, and then also we'll finish it up with some barbecue stuff. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so it's a little bit rainy. Not bad, a little bit of drizzle. I opted not to ride the bike down, but hop on a trike, and that's kind of what I'm in now. We're riding down through town on the way to the barbecue. It's actually one of my favorite things about Baybay is they have probably the best barbecue area that I've seen in my time in the Philippines yet. Now granted, I haven't been everywhere, not even close, but so far the barbecue here in Baybay is truly incredible. It looks like I'm outside the market area right now, so a little bit of a busy part of town, but really cool. I just love this town, man. I got back from doing a quick run and just so cool. Everyone is so friendly out here and so chill. Yeah, just good times in Baybay. So I'll be right back with the barbecue. Actually, real quick, because I'm right out in front of it now, I want to show you one of the key things about this town is they've got a big metro. Check this out. Flip the camera around. Yeah, there it is right there. I'm kind of riding in front of it right now. Look at that. It's an absolute beast, which is so key when you're out here in these provinces that have a big, you know, kind of shopping area like that where you can get your stuff. My current place where I'm at in Palawan, there ain't nothing like that. So I have to drive all the way to Ormoc, which is like an hour and a half to get to a major grocery store. So anyways, I'll be right back at barbecue. All right, guys, made it down to the barbecue, ordered my barbecue. It's this place actually right here behind me. I'll see if I can get in the camera. Oh my gosh, this place is so good. I got 3 pieces of chicken, 2 pieces of pork, and then 2 hanging rice. So I'll put the price in and everything like that. But yeah, it's this place right on the end. I've eaten here before. It's absolutely delicious. So I'll be right back with the food. All right, so the food's got here. So I'll show you what we got here real quick. So we got a couple pieces of chicken here, and then these are pork skewers, and then a couple pieces of hanging rice. So yeah, it should be pretty good. I'm really excited. Like I said, this is probably one of the better barbecue places that I've ever been at. And just, I love Philippines barbecue. It's one of my favorite things to eat. The safe bets for me typically are chicken and pork. Occasionally I'll get fish, but I'm not really as good as pointing or noticing the good fish. They say you can look at the eyes and look for like clear eyes versus cloudy eyes, but I don't know. The chicken and the pork to me is the safe bet. So what I'll do actually, because it's a little bit rainy and I wasn't able to get out here early, I'll come down early in the morning because I really want to get the drone up and show you guys what it's like. So I'll come down early in the morning, I'll get the drone up, and we'll end the video there. So I'll be right back then. Good night. Hey, good morning guys. Next day, and sure enough, it's cleared up. I've got a little bit of cloud cover, but not bad. Definitely enough to get the drone up. No rain at all, and just really beautiful morning here. So I'm back out in front of actually the barbecue place where I had dinner last night, so you can see a little bit about what it looks like. And just a beautiful coastal area here. Really, like I said, I really enjoy Baybay. I could definitely see myself living here. One of these great little mid-sized towns. You don't hear a lot about easy access back to Cebu if you need to catch a flight, or if you needed to go, some more shopping stuff to get some bigger items there. So I've got the drone here. Let's go ahead and get the drone up. We'll end the video with some drone footage. Really appreciate everyone watching. Feed the good wolf, and I'm Bane.